Good morning, my dear friends. Today I am going to start the operating system. So, what is generally an operating system? So, in this course, I used to cover each and every topic in the operating system, and it is mainly used for UGC NET and JRF and also the SET. So, those who wants to follow the competitive examinations in the computer science, please follow this. So, now let us start. What is an operating system? So, operating system, it is a program that control execution of application program and interface between user and system. So in simple, if you want to discuss what is an OS, simply you can say this is an OS and it acts as an interface between the user and the system. So simplify the simple definition, OS is an interface between user and the system. You can justify like this, right? Now let us deal with the goals of the OS. So what are the goals of operating system? So let us see the goals. The first one is convenience and the second one is efficiency. So what is convenience and what is efficiency? So convenience means it is nothing but easy to use. And efficiency means how efficient the operating system works. How efficient the operating system works. Is it works 100% accurate or 99.9% accurate and so on. How efficiently the OS works is the question of the efficiency. Then what is convenience? How it is easy to use. Right, all of you? So in the convenience, I used to tell you something more about this. Like, so see here, there are two types. One is GUI and the second one is CUI. You know what is GUI? GUI is known as graphical user interface. Right, students? GUI is a graphical user interface and CUI is a character user interface. So what we discussed about the operating system, it is an interface between the user and the system, and that is nothing but GUI and CUI. So graphical user interface. So what is a graphical user interface means? So let us see an example of this, then you can understand what is generally the graphical user interface. See here, in GUI the example is system call and the CUI example is what? Commands. So what is a system call then? So system call is nothing but it is a mechanism used by programs. It is a mechanism used by programs to require services from OS. Means it is nothing but simply this definition is nothing but the example of the Windows, right? And what is CUI? CUI example is nothing but DOS commands. You know what is a DOS commands? MD, make directory, create directory, all these comes under the user interface of CUI, character user interface, graphical user interface. System call means whatever the request we ask through the program from the OS is known as system call. Simply if I want to give you an example, see here, generally the example of OS is nothing but, see, I'll give you a great example regarding this. See, there is a switch, right? Switch is connected with what? Number of wires. And you are the person here. So what is this person is doing? See here, the person is owning the switch and this is supplying a power to the wire and then fan gets on mode. Yes, all of you. Then what is an interface between the person and the wire? It is nothing but the switch. Here switch acts as an OS. My dear students, do you understand what is an OS? I am giving you just the real-time example. Right? You are a person and switch is an operating system, and if you on the switch and it connects to the wire and the fan is in an on mode. Clear all of you? For example, I'll give you a computer example. See here. Printf hello. Suppose we are printing a hello program. So what OS will do? OS will send some request. So what I discussed previously, system call means sending a request to the hardware interface. It sends a request to the hardware interface to what? To print hello. This is an interface of an operating system. Right, all of you? Now, I am discussing about hardware, software. Generally, what is a software, my dear students? Software is nothing but it is a collection of programs. Software is nothing but a collection of programs. Then what is a program? Program is nothing but it is a set of instructions. You have to know a small bits. What is a program? What is a software? What are the types of software? So types of software are nothing but there are two types. One is system software and the second one is application software. Very important bit in any examination. So see here, what is, first of all, you need to know what is a software. Software is a collection of programs. Program is a set of instructions. And what are the types of software? One is system software and second one is application software. So what is a system software? And what is an application software? I will simplify it. See here. System software. Before going to system software, I'll explain you about the application software. Application software means, see here, it is used to do some work, some task or you can call it as work. Then what is a system software? System software means it operates the computer hardware parts. The application software will do some task. How it will do? Through the hardware task. Okay. So, likewise, what I tell you? Here, hello. It is used to print a hello. It will request some hardware parts. So, till now I have given the brief explanation of the operating system.